Hey, this is Subhan from WeTech Security. We just installed this brand new Intercom here in White Rock. I just want to show you guys quickly how it works. So I have my face registered. So like when you see right now it's opening the door because the face is already registered. But this is how it basically looks like. So you just simply select the unit number that you want to call to. So here you can go ahead and call 103 and then I should get a notification and then we'll be able to see who's at the front. Then you can accept the call. Hello. Yeah, you can speak to the person, and if you want to open the door, just simply open the door and the door is open for you. Right? So another feature that I wanted to show you is, like, let's say if some people doesn't have the smartphone, if they have a landline and stuff, right? And so in that case, the system will automatically call on the landline, and then you can just press 9 and just open the front door. This is for the people who doesn't have a cell phone or something like that, right? So here we have a delivery pin option as well. So like let's say if you have a food delivery coming in or Amazon parcel coming in, you can just simply go to your application and you just simply go here and you just do the temporary key, right? And then you just do the delivery temp key, and then you just simply copy this and send it to your delivery driver, food delivery or Amazon, and the guy would come here, enter this 99294 and the door opens it for you, right? So, and you'll also get the notification that delivery has used the temp key. So now this is just a one-time access code. So like once they use it, they no longer have access to this. For example, if you have a guest coming in and they're gonna stay here, sorry. So if we have a guest coming in, if they're gonna stay here for a week, then you can just simply create the temp key for them. Let's say your sister's coming in, you just enter sister and then time, she's coming here for today, and then we can give, like, let's say she's coming for 4 days, you hit OK, done, and just give it a few seconds, and then it will actually generate a QR code for you, and then you can share this on WhatsApp or message or email, something like that. And this is basically the QR code. So when they come, you just simply go here and scan the QR code, and then it will open it up for you, right? Another feature that we have is Siri. So like let's say you can use it for the garage door as well. So like let's say you just simply say, hey Siri, open the front door, and I will just open the front door for you, right? Also, you can use this card or fob. Just tap here and the door will open it up for you. So I just want to show you how it looks like for the property manager. So you do have a remote access for this one. So if you have multiple sites, you just simply go in here. This is how it looks like for the property manager. Since we don't need a fob or anything, so you just simply go into resident, and let's say for example 303 is moving out. You simply go here, you edit, and just first and last name, email address, and if you hit submit, that will send automatically an email to the new resident to register the application, and this tenant who moved out will no longer have access to this. There are so many stuff you can do remotely. So basically it's I can show you here. So there are so many stuff you can do. You can see the access log, who's accessing the building, at what time, everything, the call log, right? So these are the phone numbers, right? And then another thing that we have is, this is actually inbuilt access control as well. So like it doesn't have to be, if you have other door readers, you can add that as well here, right? So there's so many stuff. You can see for the property manager, you can see everything, like who used the QR code with the name, created, start time, end time. You can delete it if you don't want it, right? The delivery show up here, and then here we have a log. So every time somebody enters into the building, so there are multiple ways to enter into the building, such as RF lock or the Face ID. So you would see here the lock type, RF card unlock, and actually you will see the picture here as well. So it's just an extra layer of security for you. As you can see here for the sister, we use the QR code, so you can see the QR code here as well. So yeah, there are so many cool features with this. I mean, just look at it, right? It looks amazing. It looks so amazing. You can add the custom wallpaper here. So this is actually an animated building. This is how the actual building looks like. And that was just my Face ID. So yeah, so if you guys wanna if you guys are thinking about, like, let's say if you manage remotely properties, if you have 3-4 properties and you don't have a time to go to each property, program the unit, program the fobs, then this is something that you need to take a look, because you can have all the sites in one portal. And here is the best part: there's no monthly fees, not for tenant, not for the property manager, nothing. It's just a one-time cost and it's done. That's it. It's all over the cloud. The system doesn't require a phone line. So the traditional system, it needs a $25 per month. You need to pay $25 a month. But this one is internet. So this is basically runs on an internet. So all you need is an internet connection, and that's it. Yeah, so if you guys wanna have a code for this one, just give us a call at 778-956-2786. And yeah, we can help you out with that. Thank you.